So while reviewing the recording of the moon, then I realized, that was, what, 3 days ago, I realized that there are objects showing off. This one came from up here into the view, and then there was another one stationary up here that only in certain frequencies it can be seen. But this one is showing perfectly. See, that's the other one right there. Then you're gonna see an object coming from here, and there is like a black hole or opening, something in the fabric of space, which is not what we think it is. So let's back up. The camera can see perfectly where this object is coming from. Look at how it's coming from here, and it's gonna go this way down here. Then an object's gonna go, there's already one right there. It's gonna get illuminated. It's gonna vibrate in a frequency where the photons are being excited, and they will be captured by the camera sensor. So the object becomes more and more visible as it passes to certain part of the moon. You see how it just vanished. But if you observe the whole entire time where that object appeared, you could see structures all over around the moon, in structures in space. That's what we call the space matrix. See how this object came up, it got brighter, and you can see there are structures right here with geometrical shapes, like, I don't know how to describe this deal, but it's like looking at another city, another reality. There was this one that went up this way and another went this way, huge ones. Look, this one get illuminated again. And then this thing right here came from down here. Check this out. The camera sees it real well. Pay attention. And you can see that wherever the object is passing by, structures are being revealed as it passes by. There's another object right here on the corner of the moon. Right there. Check it out. And it went down this way. Then this one zoomed from left to right. Check this out. I'm backing up. It looks almost like a fish in the water. It's going and look, the point of light came up, but then you see these geometrical shapes appearing at that point. Like I say, the camera can capture certain things. I don't know how the deal works, but this is the only time where you can capture all these things when the camera is not pointing directly to the moon, but on the surrounding space. That's the object right there. It came from up here and it's going that way. It's cylindrical and it contracts and enlarges as it goes. At this point right here, there is a triangular shaped thing with a circle and two circles right here. Look at that. That's the object right there. Then you can see the structures showing up all along this area. You see like a tube right here, and another one down here, and then you see, I mean, there is a lot of geometry there. The camera goes out of focus again, then it'll, once you get in focus again, you will show more. Just pay attention, real close attention to the entire area. That's the point, see? The object right here appears. And it went into the moon, boom. It came from way back there, deep space, and it came into the moon. Check it out. Bam, here it comes. And went into the backside of the moon. I assume I can see because of the glare, but it looked like it. Then you see a point of light here. And what do you know? Every time that point of light becomes evident, all these structures appear. I mean, if it was pixel, the pixel don't show faces and buildings and stuff like that. It'll be all square stuff. This is none of that. This is exactly what the matrix is like. So it's possible to capture the structures of space, what we call space, the structures of the matrix with a camera. You just have to get in that zone, calibration, where is possible. See, it's in focus, the moon the circle is clearly marked,